evening viewers, I'm Dino as the presenter. Let's take a look at today's natural phenomenon. In Sumbawa, English news, a total of 117 houses were affected by flash floods in Aimual Hamlet, Labuan Kures Village, Lab District, Sumbawa Regency, West Nusa Tenggara, NCB, Saturday, 17 February 2024. Okay, the flood was caused by high rainfall in the Lampau mountain area, whose water led to Aimual Hamlet, Labuan Kures Village, Lab District, Sumbawa Regency. It was mentioned that the 117 affected houses are located into RT, namely RT1 and RW3, with 62 family of 186 people, and RT2 RW3 with 55 family of 152 people. Okay, let's see the video. In addition to resident house, there are also rice fields owned by residents that have been affected by flooding around 50 hectares. The affected rice fields are rice fields that have only been planted for approximately 1 month. In addition, the flood was also blocked by parts of Gerbike in the check dam, Labuan Kures Village, located in Aimual Hamlet, inundating 117 houses and more than 50 hectares of rice field. The water began to overflow at around 60 o'clock Wita, then at 20 o'clock Wita, it began to recede and the water discharge was observed to begin to decrease, he explained. He appealed to residents around the riverbanks to be vigilant due to rainfall. Okay, that's today's natural phenomenon news. I'm Dino. Thank you and see you.